welcome back to our channel. Today is the 4th of July, so happy 4th to everyone at home. Today we are grilling, we're hanging out in the pool, we have water balloons, we have fireworks, we have a cooler full of sodas and drinks. So today should be a really great day. This morning, Jaden and I cut up some vegetables and I've been marinating chicken overnight. We're gonna make some little chicken kebabs. I got chipotle seasoning and like a garlic seasoning, so that's gonna be for lunch today. And then tonight we're going to cook steaks. It is 12:07 right now. We normally be making lunch already, but Callie and Cohen are such sleepyheads this summer. They've been sleeping in so late. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep our lunch with our shish kebabs. I'm making this bacon and ranch suddenly salad just to make it easy. I don't love this one, but I'm gonna doctor it up and try to make it a little better. I'm going to be adding some broccoli and some cheddar cheese to it, and I'm hoping that it'll taste a little better with those ingredients, and we're gonna be eating that with our chicken kebabs. Looks like Gary and Jay are already in the pool while I work my butt off in the kitchen. Just kidding. Gary, I know, Gary was just cleaning the lanai. I was totally kidding. But Gary just cleaned the lanai and then jumped in and I finished the salad. And now I'm making these water balloons. They're really fun because they came with these little things so we can play catch. That was the float. Oh, was it? So we can play catch. So that's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'm gonna go ahead and get these balloons going.
All right, we're about to blow up a bunch of balloons. If you guys have never seen these before, they're pretty awesome.
We don't have anything to put these balloons in, so we're gonna try to use this. Just keep it on the ground.
Yeah. Okay.
Seems to be working okay.
It's pretty cool. You'll see them start to snap off automatically here in a second.
There they go.
There they go. Pretty awesome.
Them all down there already.
You don't have to do anything. Just blow it up themselves. Looks like we got a man overboard there. One's not working.
So Cohen and I just tested this little game. It's so fun. So now him and Callie are gonna do it. Good catch, Cal.
You guys should back up every time someone passes it.
Oh, it didn't pop.
Oh.
It didn't pop. Good job. Good job.
She's attacking you.
Good catch, Callie.
I don't throw it too hard.
No! No.
We gotta jump in the pool with the GoPro. Here we go. Cannonball! Whew. Oh, I'm gonna splash everyone. Watch this. Did I get you guys good?
No, I went underwater.
Man, I suck.
A little bit.
A little bit? We're gonna go behind the waterfall. Here we go.
Me and Jaden are gonna clash into each other, trying to make the other person fall. Ready, get set, go!
Go!
Oh god.
Okay, we just put Ella on the boogie board.
Poor girl. She seems so scared though. She seems scared. Come on, this is sad.
It's so funny.
She's about ready to jump.
I know. I really.
No, she's just drinking the water.
She's so heavy now.
Ella.
You can get down now.
She's gonna fall. Oh, she
There you go. Good job, girl.
Yay!
Here, we've got the food going. Here's our delicious veggies. And little chicken kebabs. I got chipotle chicken and garlic chicken cooking. Lunch is done. Did anyone try the pasta salad yet?
Not yet.
Did you like it, Callie?
It's okay.
It was okay?
It's kind of bland.
Bland? Really? Huh.
Do you remember the cheese one?
I did. And I got a lime for my Corona. Let's see if I can get it in there. Lunch was so good. It was a little on the healthier side, which was always nice. And it was nice and light and delicious. And now we're going back in the pool.
How did you not see me in the camera?
I didn't.
I literally.
Oh yeah, I'm looking cool now. I hit my head on a boogie board. Come on, Cal. Come on, Cal. Do you have room? Colin!
Not in the pool.
Oh, hi. I'm recording. Colin!
Oh, get it up! Get it up!
Cohen! What's Cohen doing?
He's spraying to get rid of the ants.
Good job, Co. Yeah, we're having a little bit of an ant problem in the pool today. I think all of us have gotten bitten by a fire ant while in here. I had one stuck in my one piece on my stomach.
I got one.
So
on my
Cohen's
hip.
killing them. Good job, Cohen. Oh, get it, Co. Get it.
Job, bud.
What are you guys doing?
Still trying to steal the tube from her.
Callie, don't let him steal your tube.
Actually, I stole it too.
Oh.
Yeah, she stole it. I'm trying to steal it back.
What are you doing in the pool?
I am just relaxing, enjoying this wonderful 4th of July.
It's been fun so far.
Yeah, lunch was good. Steaks for dinner.
I'm really excited about
Can't
our
ask
steaks.
for much more than that. And little tiny fireworks for the kids.
Yeah.
Not huge
We
ones.
don't usually love going out somewhere to see fireworks because the crowds are just intense and it's hard to like get out.
It's not
the
worth.
traffic.
It's not worth the hours upon hours that it takes to get home afterwards.
Yeah, it's fun just to do it at
okay,
home with
you win.
family anyway.
Yep. Word.
Word, homie.
So happy 4th of July, everyone.
Very swell. You look so cute in there. Go. Smoking. No. Stop.
Ready?
We are ready to play our balloon game. Wow, good catch. Oh! Yeah! Nice catch. Oh no.
Ow.
I'll go. Nice. You guys are good at this.
Oh, that. Oh, my feet
That's not
hurt.
what you gotta do.
Corn, move.
Next, we are eating these delicious bomb pops outside. Very 4th of July, but we are just playing with the balloons outside, and someone stepped on my GoPro and shattered it. Thankfully, it still works, but hopefully tomorrow we can get it in a shop and someone can fix it for us.
Okay.
How's dinner, guys?
It's good.
Some steakies, some potatoes, some mac.
Reunion, whatever.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Oh God! Ah! Okay.
It's gonna go far. Back up more.
Oh my God! Did he shoot at us?
Back up. No, that's all it does.
Say cheese! Oh, you guys are like Harry Potter. Oh my God.
So it looks like Statue of Liberty.
Yes.
I know.
This more Statue of Liberty. Damn.
I know. That's so cool. Oh, get it.
Oh, Dad.
Dad, you're really cool. Ah! I got my foot. All right.
Damn it.
Watch it for
Old
Cody.
Sparky.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo!
You do realize that they're all playing
Yeah,
games.
Cody! Yeah! Woo!
Who's the last one?
I wish I knew he was.
Oh! Oh, yeah! Yeah!
I just love watching them.
Ready?
That's a show.
Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh, yeah! Me and Coed.
Did you see that last little?
I literally went shooting at us.
Terrifying.
Keep back.
Ella. Because that's the one that popped over the ground.
Yeah.
That's it, right? 5?
Is that 5?
Yeah.
Oh, nice.
I never knew this was
That all over.
Yeah. Except for sparklers.
Ooh, that one is kind of neat.
Weird swirly thing.
I just walk fast and like when it's
Woo!
I see it spinning.
That was very easy.
The last melon. Better be a good one. All right. Woo! Yeah!
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll let
Right.
this go.
Yeah, Co. You got it, buddy. Yeah. Get it, bud.
Don't get close to people.
Ooh, mosquitoes are
Can't
getting
burn
me.
other people.
So there's kind of a big gap between us swimming in the pool and dinner because we had some family come over and we kind of shattered our GoPro. We were a little upset about that, but I think we're going to, they're going to replace it and we have to pay $99.
If you've ever had a GoPro before and you're part of their membership club or something like that, then if you break it, like they will cover the warranty if there's any defects or anything like that, but they won't cover it apparently if you step on it and break it. So I called them though, and they did say that because we're part of the membership, we can replace it at any time for $99. So
Which is bad.
better than
It's-
$400 or
Yeah,
how
the
much they're
GoPro's
going
like
for right now.
400.
Because we do have the Hero 10, so I think they will replace it with whatever one you have. It happens, but at least we're not spending $400 to get a brand new one.
Yeah.
It does work, so probably if they were going to make us buy a new one, I would try to fix it anyways. But since they're going to give us a whole new one for $99, just do that.
Yeah. And we had family over, so we kind of like weren't videoing as much as we would if we were alone. But we had a lot of fun with fireworks and the pool, and our food was so good today. We ate so good. Yeah. And we had a really good time with family, a really good 4th of July. And we hope you guys had a really good 4th of July.
Happy 4th of July.
If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we will see you real soon.
Bye.